I'm okay.
What's up, everybody? We are going to Jonathan Dickinson today to get some biking in, hopefully before the rain hits, and let's see what we got in store for us. All right, we made it. Let's get out there. They got some fun flowy sections. Let's go hit them up. All right, first up we got Tortoise after taking the littles. We got George Pig and Peppa Pig hanging out here on the handlebars still. Bobcat, Little Cat is a great spot to take the littles if you got kids ride shotgun or just want to get your legs warm. But first thing with Tortoise, there's about 2 or 3 key features here. First one is this, cased it. Jade, how was Tortoise?
How was it? Did you have fun?
So much fun? Okay. Next feature is a few of these downhill portions. To this downhill part. Looks like it's about to rain, so we're gonna do Ranger real quick, and then Hare, head back to the van hopefully before we get too wet. Here's the second biggest features on Ranger. Head back to the van. Peppa Pig, George Pig are good to go. Just gonna take this one Zone 2, Zone 3, whole way back. Let's see what Hare has in store for us. Here's an old World War II bunker. And my favorite part of the trail. All right, so there you got it. We beat out the rain. We had a good day at Jonathan Dickinson. That was Ranger, Tortoise, and Hare. There's a handful of other places that have got really good features, especially for what Jonathan Dickinson and Florida mountain biking is, which is pretty flat. But I hope that you guys enjoyed the ride. Hope you enjoyed your time with us, and thank you for stopping by. See you next time.